The ethical dilemmas of AI. How far is too far? An AI that can read your thoughts. A robot deciding who lives and who doesn't. A machine that knows you better than your best friend. Creepy or convenient? This isn't science fiction. It's already happening. Welcome to Tech Science Insights, where the future meets the truth. Today, we're tackling one of the most urgent and uncomfortable questions in modern technology. The ethical dilemmas of AI. How far is too far? Buckle up because this one might just change how you see the future. Let's start with the basics. AI ethics is about making sure machines don't just work well, but also as you do good. It's the difference between building a system that can identify faces versus one that discriminates based on skin color. It's the science of right and wrong, coded into lines of artificial logic. But here's the problem. Who decides what's right and wrong? A government? A company? A programmer? That's where the dilemma begins. Imagine an AI deciding if someone gets a loan, a job, or even parole. In the US, AI systems have been used in court sentencing decisions. In China, AI is being used for social scoring and surveillance. Hiring software has shown bias against women and people of color. So what happens when flawed data trains a system? You get flawed justice. But how with the illusion of objectivity? Ethical dilemma. Should AI be allowed to make life-altering decisions? AI feeds on data. Your data. Your clicks, your voice, your face, your emotions. Smart devices are always listening. Facial recognition is being used in public places, often without consent. AI is now predicting mental health, relationships, even pregnancies. That's powerful, but it's also terrifying. Ethical dilemma. Where do we draw the line between safety and surveillance? This is no movie plot. Autonomous drones and AI-powered weapons are being developed by governments worldwide. The UN has already warned about lethal autonomous weapons. In 2020, a drone reportedly acted on its own in a real battlefield. No human, no emotion, just a machine deciding who dies. Ethical dilemma. Should AI be allowed to kill without human input? And if we say yes? What happens when the wrong person hacks the system? AI girlfriends, AI therapists, AI friends. It sounds comforting until you realize the emotional connections are one-sided. Some people are now marrying AI chatbots. Loneliness is being solved by artificial companionship. Children are forming bonds with Shad-Irm robots more than humans. Ethical dilemma. Are we replacing real relationships with simulations? And if so, what happens to human connection? AI is only as good as the data it's fed. If the past was biased, then AI will automate that bias faster than ever before. Examples: hiring software rejecting female candidates, facial recognition misidentifying people of color, healthcare AI under-prioritizing Black patients. And the worst part? It's often invisible. No one even realizes it's happening. Ethical dilemma. How do we make sure AI is fair, transparent, and accountable? The majority of powerful AI systems are being built in rich countries by rich companies for rich users. What about farmers in rural Africa? What about workers whose jobs are replaced by machines? If we're not careful, AI won't bridge the gap. It will widen it. Ethical dilemma. Are we building a future that benefits the few or the many? Here's the truth. AI is not evil. It's not good either. It's a mirror, reflecting our choices, our values, and our flaws. To build ethical AI, we need transparency. How does it work? Accountability. Who's responsible? Diversity. Who builds it and for whom? Regulation. What are the rules? This isn't just a tech issue. It's a humanity issue. So, how far is too far? When AI can lie, love, decide, kill, and rule, we must ask, how much control are we willing to give away? Because once we cross the line, there may be no going back. AI is powerful, but power without ethics is dangerous. So the next time you ask, can AI do this? Maybe the better question is, should it?